For week 2, try this B. We are asked to use the discriminant to describe the nature of the roots and determine the number of real solutions of each quadratic equation. Our first item is x squared is equal to 81. First step, i-check kung ito ay nasa standard form na. Ang standard form of a quadratic equation is given by ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. But, as you can see, wala pa siya sa ganong format. So, dapat gawin muna nating 0 ang right side of the equation. Paano mangyayari yon kung merong 81 dito? Tama. I-subtract natin ang 81. So, if we subtract 81 at the right side, dapat mag-subtract din tayo ng 81 sa left to keep the equation balanced. This gives us 0 sa right side as expected and x squared minus 81 sa left. Isusulat ko lang muli. We'll have x squared minus 81 equals 0. Next, i-identify natin ang values ng a, b, at c. From the equation, a is the coefficient of the quadratic term. But since walang number appearing, it is understood na merong invisible 1 dito. Next is the value of b. But since wala namang linear term dito, this is equal to 0. And finally, c, the constant term, negative 81. The third step is to substitute these values into the discriminant formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. B is equal to 0, so b squared is equal to 0 squared. Copy minus sign and 4. Multiplied by a, which is 1, and by c, which is negative 81. Compute further and we'll have 0 minus negative 324. Finally, we obtain positive 324. Now, i-check na natin kung saang category magfo-fall itong positive 324 na discriminant. And that is the final step. From the table, we can see that the discriminant value is categorized from being equal to 0, being greater than 0, and being less than 0. Clearly, 324 is greater than 0. Ang tanong na lang ngayon, is it a perfect square or not? Binigyan ko kayo ng copy ng mga perfect squares. First 20 perfect squares. Let's see kung makikita natin siya dito. We have 18 squared is equal to 324. So, it falls under the category greater than 0 and a perfect square. Katulad nitong nasa second row. Ibig sabihin, there are two real roots and, yan, para mas malinaw. And they are two real, rational, and unequal roots.